Today I am doing another easy, fun experiment. It is called dancing rice. You will need something to mix with, a jar of water, food coloring, Arm & Hammer baking soda, rice, and vinegar. Put 2 drops of food coloring into the jar full of water. Mix well. Next, put in the Arm & Hammer baking soda. Mix well again. Next, put in the instant rice. Last but not least, put in the vinegar. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye!